Mastering the rmdir command. In this video, we'll uncover the ins and outs of the rmdir command, learning how to clean up your file system by removing empty directories like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned command line user or just starting your journey, understanding the rmdir command is an essential skill. So, let's dive in and discover how to declutter your directory structure with ease. What is the rmdir command? Definition and purpose. The rmdir command, short for remove directory, is a command line tool used to remove empty directories from the file system. It is available in various operating systems, including Linux, macOS, and Windows. Basic usage. Syntax: rmdir directory. Explanation: to remove an empty directory, simply type rmdir followed by the name of the directory you want to delete. For example, rmdir my underscore directory will remove the empty directory named my underscore directory. Error handling. Error message for non-empty directories. If you attempt to remove a directory that is not empty, the rmdir command will display an error message indicating that the directory is not empty and cannot be removed. You'll need to remove the files and subdirectories within the directory before using the rmdir command. Practical examples. Removing single empty directories. Demonstrate how to use the rmdir command to remove individual empty directories. This can be useful when you want to clean up after a project or remove unnecessary directories from your file system. Bulk directory removal. If you have multiple empty directories that you want to remove, showcase how the rmdir command can be used with multiple arguments to remove them all at once, saving time and effort. Cautionary note. Remind viewers to exercise caution when using the rmdir command, as it permanently deletes directories and their contents. Emphasize the importance of double-checking the directory to ensure it is empty before executing the command. Conclusion. In conclusion, the rmdir command is a powerful tool for removing empty directories from your file system. By mastering this command, you can efficiently declutter your directory structure and keep your file system organized. Remember, the rmdir command only works on empty directories, so make sure to remove any files or subdirectories within a directory before attempting to delete it. Exercise caution when using this command to avoid accidentally deleting important directories. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more command line tips and tricks. Happy directory cleaning, and I'll see you in the next video.